The TI-nSpire is a graphing calculator, so let's learn how to graph. So go to the home screen, click the home button, and let's open a new graphing page. And when we do that, we are immediately in the entry line, which you can see here where the cursor is flashing. That's where we're going to put the equation for a function. So let's say we want to graph f1 of x is equal to x cubed. So I'll put that in, and when I hit enter, we will see the graph of y equals x cubed, or f of x equals x cubed. It's in color, which is really nice to view. And this is its name, f1 of x. As soon as we hit enter, the entry line has disappeared. If you want to get it back, you can hit tab, and that will bring us back to the entry line. We no longer see the function that we entered. We can arrow up or down. You can actually have, I think, 99 functions, or you can hit the history menu, which you can get to by hitting the tab key. So the tab key, I'm clicking it now, goes from just the graph alone, the entry line, and then the history. On the history, you can see all the functions that you've entered. So if we were to enter a second function, say f of x is equal to x, the second function comes in a new color. And if we go to the history, we'll see that we have two functions, and we can toggle or click between those in the entry line, or you can just arrow up and down to get to your various functions. If you want to delete a function, just get that function in the entry line and then hit the delete key. So I'm going to actually get rid of the second function that we entered. Now that is gone. You'll notice that the function has a name on it. In order to move that label around, because sometimes those labels will be in the way, you'll want to slide on the trackpad until you get a little hand. So hover over the label until you get the little hand, and then click and hold the enter button until the hand closes. So I'm going to go ahead. It may be a little hard for me to demonstrate. I'm going to try it again. I think I have to use the trackpad. There we go. So click and hold the enter button. Now the hand's closed, and now I can drag this label around, and when I want to release it, you can just hit the escape key, and then that will move that label, which may come in handy.